Well, in this video, as you can see, I'm not in my house. I'm in my nanny with that house. Me. Yeah, I'm going to be doing like this review on Little Live Pets Birdcage Series 2. So, you can see you can get it in Argos and it's £19.99. And as you can see, you get this bird or you can get a girl bird. This one's called Friendly Frankie, but I call it Buddy. And you get Beauty Bella or Beautiful Bella, whichever one it is. As you get the bird, you get this plastic food. And it comes off, it falls out the food. And you've got this little swing, and obviously you get the cage. So, I'll open it up. Right, you can let his feet hook into there. And you hook into there, right, if I get him out. So, the way you turn it, you need to make it work, which we've already got in here. Wait, so I'm dropping the tablet. In here, you need 2 AAA batteries, and we've got loads of them. The wings come in and out, as you can see. Like that. So I'm just using one hand at the moment. So, and then you put them in there. You just do it the way the stuff comes out of there. When you press that, it'll chirp, and you can, when you hold it and speak, it'll repeat what you say. So it's not on at the moment. And when you stroke his back, there you go. It's ready. Let me show you when I stroke his back. And he sings. Let his beak loose as well. And and you've got different sets. You've got one where you can stroke his back and press this. See, I said it once and grumpy into it. And it'll repeat that. And one where if you go onto this one, and over the far side here, and stroke his back, it doesn't work, so you have to press this. But I like it where so the middle one, the middle part in the middle is off. That's on where you stroke his back, and that's on where you don't stroke his back. So I move it to right. Yeah, I'm just doing a YouTube video. Sorry, it's my granddad. He wants to know where I am and what I'm doing. I think these are cool. I've always wanted one. I've asked one for my birthday, Christmas, and I didn't get one. Yeah, they do and they might not seem much, but when you first get it, you're like, oh yeah, and stuff. So, right. And it speaks at text. Normally, I sometimes, can you see it? Oh, it's a bit close. Okay, so. Why is my tablet so annoying? Sorry, I know I have to move it all over the place. Off my hand, don't worry. How's that? Okay, yeah, you can see me. There you go. So, what I used to do is I used to hold it like this and stuff. You can act like it's a real bird if you want. That's what I do. Well, I haven't got that. Sorry. There you go. Yeah, so. Well, I've dropped it on my foot twice. No, I've dropped it on my foot once. And it hurts if you've got nothing on your feet and you drop it on there. This hurts because it's hard. Plastic feet, that's plastic, and his wings are plastic, his beak's plastic, everything's plastic. But that's Fluffy. So Fluffy, and then the speaker's there. So yeah, basically this is, it's cool. It's nice, and so it's cage. Right, we've done about enough about the bird. Shut up. Mum and Dad said it gets on your nerves after a while. I don't think it does. It just makes no sound. They've got over 30 different bird calls. So it will come in. The bird will come in with this. It can fit up to 2 birds in it. So one puts its 2 feet in there, clips in there. The other one puts them in there. But when you've got one in there, they just go in them too. And you've got this. Show you plastic food. Get out. Yeah, there's a little. If I close the door, it might be better. There's a little plastic thing here. I don't know if you can see it, but there, it's a bit thicker. And that's where this food goes. Can you please shut up now? It interrupts you and stuff. So shut up. Yeah, so you can put it in like either side, like there. Oh, sorry. I can never get this in. Like that. Or like, oh for God's sake. Why can't I get it? Like that. And basically it's just plastic and it's just got all this bowl stuff on it. Okay, this is the front floor. And then this, it comes in this. It's got the little tool, what's it? Oh, I'm not so fidgety. If I sit, what? Oh my God, I can't speak. What's wrong with it? Nothing but. So this part here, oh my God, sorry. Right, I can do it. Shut up. I'll tell you what, you're getting annoying. Well, I say it's not annoying, but when you do like videos, so it's quite annoying. So, anyway, let me try and finish. This part here, when it fits onto that part, let me show you. Open the door. Just clips into there like that. And you just put the food in. Oh, I can't get in again. Oh, because no, it doesn't know, for God's sake. Go in. Thank you. So it goes on like that. The back part's just all blue. You can't put your fingers in. This part you can put your fingers in, and you've got a little hole at the front. So yeah, I think this is really cool. I like it. The door opens. You can take this out. Look. It's on a hook underneath, so you can take it out. Oh, trouble getting it back in. Oh no, then there you go. And the way the bird sits in is, wait, hang on, if I take it out, come out. Yeah, don't come in. Don't come in. Don't come in. I'm doing a YouTube video. No, go. Thank you. I know. Sorry. Why is it every time I'm doing a YouTube video, someone always interrupts? Normally it's my dad. There's another one I need to upload for you. It's quite funny. I'm doing this YouTube video on the trampoline. I'm not facing my dad. I don't know he's there. No. So he goes, ooh, and I go, ah! And yeah, he makes me jump. And then he comes on, and he's so embarrassing. He goes like, there's a little man in there, there's a man and stuff, and yeah, it's just. So I'm gonna upload that as well, and you can check that out. It's quite funny. Don't know what I'm gonna call it. Probably my dad being embarrassing on a trampoline, or my dad being embarrassing. No, embarrassing dad on a trampoline, probably. Something like that, so you can always check that out. So the way he gets in is So look, you see he's got these clips in here. So 1 foot goes in there, 1 foot goes in there. Like this. But if you do it like that, one side it will like go like that, and it'll be like that outside. So I put them in the middle. The way he does it is look, his feet clip in, so you push it in so he doesn't fall off. Sometimes occasionally he will fall out like that. You don't want to go, come out. Right, so you push it in. Oh, push it in so his feet are sticking over the back. He's fitted in properly. Yep. And then, because you've got a clip up here, then you can put it back in. Well, what I'm doing is I've got like over 47 to 48 YouTube videos I'm going to do to like get more subscribers. So I've only got 2. So please like my videos and please subscribe. And if you like, share my videos with your friends and tell them to subscribe, please. I really love that, because I did have one originally from which was like strange. I don't know if it's still on YouTube, but then you've got the Quiet Potato song. I got a subscriber from that. So, how long has this been going for? Whoa, quite long. What is this? Is it review? Okay, a review on Little Live Pets Birdcage Series 2. Bye! Remember, please like my videos and please subscribe and share them with your friends.